Hello and welcome to day 2 of this marketing challenge. So today is another easy day, but we're going to get a little bit creative today, and we're going to create a graphic that you can use on a social media post and upload it to any social media platform that you want. So we've got two options today. You can either work in Canva and design a graphic, or you can just post straight onto your preferred social media platform. So let's start by talking about Canva. Now, hopefully you all have a free Canva account. If you haven't discovered Canva yet, then have a look at the link down below in the comments and get on board with Canva. It is such an awesome and easy to use design tool. You'll never look back. So it's a great place to design a graphic, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So you want to just think about what we're going to be putting into that graphic. So to start with, let's think about brand consistency. So we want this to reflect your company and your brand. So use your brand colors, use your fonts that you would normally use on any other forms of advertising, business cards, flyers, press advertising. Always use the font that people would recognize from your company, and use your logo as well. We want to put that in to the graphic. So what will we say in this graphic? So obviously we want to say, hey, we're reopening again. So that's going to be your main headline, reopening. Then we need to tell people when, so the dates that you're going to be reopening. And then we want the call to action. How are they going to book in with you? How would you prefer? So is it a booking page you want them to go to? Do you want them to telephone you? So we're going to tell them that as well. And then you can get really creative. You can add in some images, you can add in some design work, you can have a play around until your heart's content. But we want to pretty this up, and then when you're ready, you can just download it, and then you're ready to upload it to any social media platform that you prefer to use. Now, if you decide you don't want to use Canva and you're just going to design a post and put that out, that's fine as well. I would encourage you to upload an image to go with your post. Now, you may have one that you prefer to use of you at work or in front of your business, or you might want to upload from the free image sharing websites that are out there, such as Unsplash. And again, I put the link to Unsplash down in the comments, and you might just use, one of their open photographs just to tell people that you are open. So when we're putting this organic post together, we want to be thinking about the content again that we're going to be using. So we need a catchy headline. So we want to put something like, looking forward to seeing you all again, open for business, excited to be opening the doors again, something that's going to stop people as they're scrolling through and they're looking through their social media. And then we want to put that content in again. So when are we going to be open from, the dates that we're going to be open, the times that we're going to be open, and the call to action. How do you want people to book in with you? So is it by telephone? Is it a link to your booking page? Add all of that down in there. And again, finish it off by saying, really looking forward to seeing you again, not too long to go now. So we just, simple as that. We're going to upload either the graphic from Canva or the image and the content onto the social media page. It's up to you, use your preferred social media platform. If it's Facebook, I'd be thinking about posting that about lunchtime, midday, when people are stopping for a bit of lunch and scrolling through their feed. So that's a good time to post. If you're going to be posting on Instagram, again, at the moment, I say middle of the day is a good time for posting on Instagram rather than later in the evening. And if you're going to be posting that up on LinkedIn, during business hours, again, is another good time to get it out there. Again, for me, lunchtime is a preferred time for posting at the moment. So we're putting all of that up onto your preferred platform. Why are we doing it? Well, obviously we want to tell as many people as possible that you're open for business. So you're going to have the regular followers, the people that like you and already follow your page, and hopefully you're going to get a bit of reach out to an extended audience as well, and people that maybe aren't following you will know about you. Posting on social media also gives people the option to share that post as well. So, they might know somebody who needs to get a massage, who wants to do some yoga and meditation classes. So they might just, post and share that with someone that they know that is in need of your service at the moment. Obviously, it's free. If we're not doing boosted posts, this is not a free way to get information out there. And it's just great to just tell people that you're ready again to start taking bookings. So, it's just just about letting people know that you're there and you're ready to go. So get posting, schedule the post in for tomorrow for Wednesday lunchtime, and we'll talk again tomorrow when we go into challenge 3. Thanks, bye bye.